So talking about tropical alerts, we already have a hurricane warning, and of course there's already evacuations that have been happening. And we've been talking about this storm surge area here, right here in the Big Bend, and that is going to be one of the areas that we were really concerned about. So storm surge, I know you hear people talk about that. We really want to know where the eye is going to hit, because with that counterclockwise turning, you can see all of that water is really just getting pushed up onto the shore. So it's a sudden rise of water, and it can be the deadliest and sometimes the most destructive. And we're looking for 10 to 15 feet of water for the Big Bend area. That means an additional, in conjunction with their regular tides, an additional 10 to 15 feet of water coming into that area. So it can be very, very scary. But as of 10 a.m. this morning, she has become a hurricane. Winds are at 80 miles per hour, gusting to 100, moving north-northwest at 10 miles per hour, starting to speed up a little bit. We can see she's starting to push along here. And again, once she gets into these warm waters, we are really going to start to see that intensification into a category 3. So by Thursday morning, we're going to look at 120 miles per hour. Thursday around the evening into the afternoon hours, we're looking at 125 to 135. This is going to hit right around the Tallahassee as far as the eye goes. So again, we're watching that counterclockwise. Anyone in this area right here to the right of the eye is going to see that increase in that water up on their shore. So it's something very, with a wind of 100 degrees, or excuse me, 100 miles per hour plus, it's going to be a lot. It's going to be a destructive storm. So they are prepared, but we're going to watch how this continues to make its way into our area, and exactly why it's going to make it into our area. Well, it's because of this low right here, this upper level low. We've got that frontal boundary that passed through the state the last few days. Most of those rain showers, of course, are staying out ahead of the front, but we're going to watch as this continues to affect us. So for the next couple of days, not worried about too much, but by the time we get to Friday, this upper level low, this is going to be the remnants of Helene. As it continues to make its way, you're going to see this actually pulled in here to this low pressure system. That upper level low is just going to kind of absorb, and when it does, it's going to also absorb all of that moisture that is associated with Helene, and that's going to give northern Arkansas and possibly central Arkansas, eastern Arkansas, a lot of rainfall. So this is definitely going to be a weather impact. This is a rare Fujiwhara effect. So that is two low pressure systems that are close by, and they're going to start to spin around each other the closer they get, and often merge or absorbed by each other. And that is exactly what's going to happen in our situation. So this is how we're most certainly going to be affected by Helene. So this is the Euro. We're looking for any amounts of rainfall anywhere from almost 3 inches. We've got looking at 5 here in wind. Again, this is one model. So let's take a look at the GFS. Again, looking for it to mainly be in this area. How far west it goes and how far south it goes really just depends upon the track of Helene.